Welcome to MES e-learning channel. In this session, we will be discussing the medieval Indian drama. The Natya, which was noticed in every state of India from the 17th century onwards. So here we have a list of the local art and local drama that is there. In Bengal, we have Yatri Kirtanaya and Palagan. Then Madhya Pradesh, it was Manch. And in Kashmir, it was Bandhyatar. Gujarat, Bhavai Ram Leela. And in North India, that is especially in Uttar Pradesh, it was Nautanki, Bhand, Ram Leela and Ras Leela. In Maharashtra, we had Tamasha. Rajasthan, it was Ras and Jhumar. And Punjab, Bhangra and Songe. And in Assam, it was Ahyanath and Ankinath. And in Bihar, it is Videshia. So, going by the history, Indian drama had a significant contribution to the art and history of India. And one gets to be enlightened that after the 15th century, Indian dramatic activity almost ceased due to foreign invasions. However, this age also had its witnesses, and this is the time that the Natya developed in the country, and you can see the region wise in particular states or in the regions, the local Natya, or you could say local drama developed. Now, modern Indian drama. The colonial period in the history of Indian drama and its evolvement had ushered a radical and almost whirlwind phase of dramatists from all over the country. And the most renowned drama amongst the British was Shakuntala by Kalidas, which was translated into English by Sir William Jones in 1789. Now, this play was successful enough to etch an insightful impression on great dramatists like Goethe, and this created a ripple of literary sensation in the European circles. The beginning and the rise of modern history of Indian drama was hidden in the 18th century, when the British Empire stretched and consolidated its power over India. In 1765, there came two drama lovers who had staged legendary two English comedy plays. This was This Jai and Love is the Best Doctor. In 1831, Prasanna Kumar Thakur laid the foundation stone for the Hindi drama Manch. And in 1843, on the ardent request of Sangli King, the playwright Vishnu Das Bhavi was given birth to Sita Swayamvar in Marathi. In 1850, the modern theatrical activity originated in Bengal, Karnataka and Kerala also. And adding further to the history of Indian drama, Gujarati, Urdu plays also began to be staged in many cities, especially in Mumbai, and also in Gujarat, Ahmedabad, Surat, Baroda, etc. Now, this was the time the Parsis also started their own drama company and made liberal use of the words of Hindustani, Urdu, Persian and Sanskrit while staging their plays. With the passing of time, that is somewhere around 1880s, Annasab Balwant, Pandurang Kirloskar, they staged Abhirangan Shakuntalam in Marathi. However, in the western part of India, due to the Portuguese domination, drama groups from the western countries began to arrive in India to stage English plays. Now, Indian drama after the independence. The period after 1947, this marks the second stage in the development of drama. Prior to 1947, drama and scripts were pivoted around Sanskrit plays or even English plays and ancient religious historical figures. So, much of the influence was from the ancient times. But this slowly changed after the independence. So, in 1960s, Badal Sarkar introduced a form of political theatre called the Third Theatre. So this was an anti-establishment theatre, where they protested against the social evils and they protested against the political evils. It was anti-establishment and it was aimed at creating enlightenment among the younger people. He started the theatre in the courtyard, that is, and a theatre without a curtain and other things in a common area, where he had more, an interaction with the people. So drama became more of an interaction with the people to make them aware of the social evils that is there in the society. And he urged on taking theatre to the people. That was the most important thing. It was not something to be, he did not want the stage and the curtain to separate people and the actors. In then the later developments, again more modern activities started, and Jana Natya Manch, that is the People's Theatre Front. This started in New Delhi. This was an amateur theatre company. They specialized in left-wing street theatre in Hindi. You can say most of us are familiar with street plays, isn't it? The costumes that they wear and the way in which they perform. It was founded in 1973 by a group of Delhi's radical theatre amateurs who sought to take theatre to the people. Again, you could see the latest experiments is taking theatre to the people. Theatre personalities, Sardar Hashmi is the best known figure associated with this troupe. Janam collects donations after each performance and funds its work in this manner. So they did not have large funds or anything. So they want the people to contribute. And as a matter of policy, the group does not accept donations or grants from the state, corporates or NGOs, because they feel that they would be corrupted by all those, or they would want to play out their ideas and ideologies, and the group wanted to be independent in its purest sense. The company does street as well as open air performances and occasionally organizes talks, discussion workshops, etc. So this is the modern day theatre. We do see such activities, in fairs and all, or even these groups go from place to place, and their main objective being enlightening people about the social evils or whatever is happening in the society, or what needs to be developed in a society, etc. So in this session we have seen about the evolution of drama in India from the ancient times to the modern times to the present day, where it has become more people oriented. So with this session we are ending the first part of our drama and pedagogy. Hope you all have enjoyed. Thank you, students.